12 things to do now to become an homeowner in 2024. Hey there, future homeowners and homeowners in the making. So, are you ready to ditch those rental walls and unlock the keys to your own very dream home in 2024? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I am dropping 12 game-changing tips that will transform you from renter to a homeowner faster than you can say mortgage approval. What's up, everyone? It's KG. I'm a realtor with Fairfax Realty, and today I am diving into the exciting world of home ownership. It is possible. So, whether you are a first time home buyer or a seasoned home buyer ready for a change, this video is packed with actionable advice to make your home ownership dream a reality this coming year 2024. But before I dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will never miss any valuable insight into real estate. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you. Don't forget to share this with others looking to buy real estate. So let's get started on your exciting journey to ownership. 12 things to do now to become a homeowner in 2024. Unlock the secret to homeownership in 2024 with these 12 expert tips. Learn how to prepare your finances. Find your finances, the perfect home, navigate the mortgage process, and more. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is get your finances in order. Time to get these finances in order is now. You want it to be fit for a homeowner. How do you do that? First, start by checking your credit score. And if there's anything in it, you want to work to improve the credit score, because the higher credit score, the best mortgage rates you're going to have. Second, save for a down payment. Really, you want to aim for 20%, but if you cannot have 20% to avoid PMI, you can actually save less and work towards getting your equity up so that you can get out of PMI. Have a budget to track your income and expenses. Very, very important. Pay down your debt to improve your debt to income ratio. Second, research your loan options. So don't just settle for the first mortgage you see. Explore different loan types and interest rate to find the best fit for your financial situation. Your financial situation, not your friend, not what somebody else said, your financial situation. So consider conventional loans, FHA loans, VA loans for eligible veterans. So if you're a veteran, you should definitely look at VA loan. USDA loan, if you are buying in a rural area, you can get 100% financing. Third, seek professional guidance. Home buying journey is best navigated with a pro by your side. Enlist the help of a realtor like myself to guide you through the home search and home negotiation process. You do not want to go through this alone. And you also want to get a mortgage lender to help you secure financing and understand your loan options. Fourth, define your dream home. So what does your perfect home look like? Knowing that you can never get a perfect 100%, right? So you want to get clear about your needs and wants, right? In terms of location, size, style, features, and your budget. You want to have this so that you are not caught off guard. Fifth, start your house hunting early. Don't wait until the last minute to start browsing. So if you have a list that is coming to expire, you want to start exploring at least 6 to 8 months before. Explore homes online, go out and look at open houses to kind of get a feel of what are out there, what their options are, and you can see. 6, Get a pre-approved for mortgage. This is very important. Knowing your budget upfront is key. So get a pre-approved for a mortgage to understand how much you can afford. This will actually make your offer stronger when you find the right home. You should not even looking at home seriously when you have not done this. 7, be ready to act quickly, because in today's market, homes can move fast. So you want to be prepared to make a competitive offer and act quickly when you find a home that you love. 8, consider a home inspection. You should budget and plan for a home inspection because you want to protect your investment. Invest in a professional home inspector to uncover any potential issues before closing the deal, because once you close the deal, you're on your own. 9, negotiate confidently. So listen, don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Ask. Work with a professional like myself, a realtor, to negotiate the best possible terms for your purchase, right? Don't be afraid. 10, understand closing costs. Be prepared for additional expenses beyond your down payments, appraiser, inspection, and other closing costs. You want to factor this in, which also include lender's fee, title insurance, and taxes with your budget. 11, protect your home with homeowner's insurance. Yes. So I always advise buyers, if you have a car, you want to also use the home insurance that you're using for your car for your homeowner's insurance, because you get deal with it. So don't separate them. When you get a house, you want to make sure you get your insurance from that car, and make sure your credit is good, because they look at credit. 12, start planning for home maintenance. Home ownership is a marathon, not a sprint. So just buying it is just the beginning. So part of your budget is you want to set aside funds for regular maintenance and repair to keep your biggest investment in tip-top shape. 12 things to do now to get ready. So congratulations, you have been equipped with the knowledge to kickstart your home ownership journey in 2024. So listen, if you're looking to buy, sell real estate in the DMV area, don't forget to hit me up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can continue to get videos when I drop exciting news about real estate. So if you actually have specific questions or want personalized advice, don't forget to reach out to me so that your dream home ownership will be achieved. I cannot wait to be part of your incredible journey. Until next time, happy home ownership.